Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video, we are going to talk about how to make an account on Payoneer and also link it with the ClickWorker account. But before that, if you are new to the channel, I make videos on various earning opportunities, part-time jobs and also about investment opportunities. So I will recommend you to subscribe to the channel and also press the bell icon so that you do not miss any video from me. Before we start the video, I would like to tell you why you should choose Payoneer over PayPal. There are two reasons. First is better exchange rate and the second is faster bank transfer. Hey guys, as per the major update that Clickworker has made today, they are now allowing payments with Payoneer from May 12th. So let us now see the procedure how to create a Payoneer account that will be suitable for your Clickworker, and you can also use this for your Teamwork account, and how you can also change your payment method from PayPal to Payoneer for your Clickworker account. We will see that later in the video, but first let's see how we can create a Payoneer account. So I am currently in the Payoneer website. You can just come to payoneer.com or you can find this link in the description. Once you come here, just click on register. When you click on register, you will see this. Let's find the right account for your needs. On I am in a freelancers or digital marketing agency. Click this. I am looking to get paid by international clients or freelance marketplaces. My monthly sales volume is below $5,000 monthly, right? All these things, do all these things. Okay, after this you will see this screen getting started. So select your type of business. For now we will select individual. Okay, fill in your details. Okay, after filling this I'll meet you in the next step. So once you fill your basic details, it will ask you for your mobile number verification. Provide your mobile number here and send the code. Okay, once you put your mobile number, just click on send code. You will receive a OTP in your mobile. Provide the OTP here and click on next. So now as you can see, we are in the third step, security details. Here we have to create our password and choose a security question. Let us do that. After this you will have to fill the ID details. Okay, in the ID details, if you are from any other country outside of India, you can select your country, and in the ID details, for India we have 3 ID proofs that we can submit: PAN card, passport or Aadhaar card. I will now go for PAN card, and after you put PAN card, just put your ID number over here and then put your name that is present in your PAN card. Okay, and then enter the characters that are mentioned. Let me fill all these details and meet you in the next step. So in the next step we have completed the first 3 steps. Now we are at the fourth step, that is almost done. Here you have to provide your bank account details, right? And for currency, select INR, right? For now select INR, and then put your bank account name over here. Here put your, select your bank account number, IFSC code, your PAN card, again the PAN card that is linked to your bank account, and account type. Okay, these are the details that you should fill, and after that just put I agree to the terms, I agree to the pricing and fees, and click on submit. Let me fill these details and meet you in the next step. So guys, I have now submitted my application. Once you click on submit, it will complete your application procedure, and now the review system will start, right? And you will receive a confirmation mail about your account creation, about your account, if it has been successfully created or not, within a few business days, right? And after that you can receive your payments. So once you have submitted your application, just come over your Payoneer account and click on this sign in, and just sign in to your account. After you sign in, you will see this page where it will ask you to put your security question number 2 and security question number 3. Just select any two that you can remember it, or note it somewhere and submit it, right? Let me do it and meet you in the next step. So once you click on submit, the next important step starts. It will ask you for a purpose code, right? And the purpose code you have to select. I generally prefer to select other business services, that is P1099, or you can also select P1016, that is market research and public opinion polling services, right? I will go with other business services and click on update. Now you will be able to see your account. Now once you are in your dashboard, just go to the settings, click on bank accounts. After you click on bank accounts, click on bank accounts for withdrawal, and it will show you the bank account that you have just added. and you will see a action required. Click on this and you will see here account details, provide the information in verification center. Just click on this verification center and it will tell you if something is required to be submitted from your side. But here it is, so for me it is showing no open requirements, but just check it. If something is required, then submit that document. Okay, they might ask you for some bank check or bank proof, so if they are asking it, just provide it. Otherwise, just wait for 3 more days and it will be approved by them. One more thing that you need to do is come to your email address, the mail that you provided, that the mail that you opened your Payoneer account with. After you go there, you will find a mail from Payoneer saying to verify your email address. Just click here, verify my email. Once you click verify my email, you will find a message from them that your email has been verified, right? And they will bring you to the homepage. Make sure you do not miss this process. I will meet you once my account is approved. It's already 12 hours now and we have received a mail from Payoneer that our account has been approved. As you can see over here, our account has been approved, and we can just go over and click on the sign in button and check if everything is right. So now I am in my Payoneer dashboard, and as you can see, I can see balances over in USD, Euro, and also in pound. So now I'll be able to receive payments from all the websites, all the companies, and for US companies, if you are working for a US company, then you should also submit a form known as W8BEN form. W8BEN form is something that is required to be submitted if you are a person working for a US based company outside of US. So if you are working from India for a US based company, then you have to submit a W8BEN form, which is mandatory and which is required in teamwork. But in Clickworker, W8BEN form is not required at all. You once this process is done, you are already done of everything. Your Payoneer account is done, right? And you will be able to receive all kinds of payment from Payoneer. Let's do a quick check if our bank account is approved or not. For that, we'll go to settings and bank accounts. Let's check if our bank account is successfully approved or not. And here in bank accounts, just click over here, bank accounts for withdrawal, and here you can see my bank account is in approved state. So that means I will be able to receive money into my bank account whenever any money comes to my Payoneer account. It will be directly transferred to this bank account that is linked to Payoneer. So that is about the entire Payoneer account creation process. I hope this will be helpful for you all. And now let's move on to the next step, where we have to link our Clickworker account with our Payoneer account. So once you open your Clickworker account, just click on this payment details under account section, and once you click on it, you will see all the payment details that you currently have. As you can see, I am currently my account is connected to my PayPal account, and I will now transfer it to my Payoneer account. Now here I will only click on this modify payment details. Once I click on it, you can see it is showing me PayPal account, Payoneer account. Let me click on this Payoneer account. Here I'll have to click this save icon. Once I click on save, it will show me that here it is already now modified to Payoneer account, but my payments are temporarily on hold. So I have to click on this confirm Payoneer account data. For this I'll have to click on it. Once you click it, it will take you to Payoneer account, right? And here you will have to click here, as we have already created a Payoneer account, and just log in into your account. As you can see, we have successfully added our Payoneer account to our Clickworker, and now we'll be able to receive our Euro balance that will be sent by Clickworker to our Payoneer. Now our account is connected to Payoneer, but our payments are still on hold. As you can see, your payments are still on hold. So now we'll just have to do a simple thing which will verify all the details in our Clickworker account. If your payments are still on hold, it is showing yes, then just do a thing, just log in into your email account that is linked to your Clickworker. Let me log in over here. As you can see, I received this message just 3 minutes ago. When I just linked Payoneer with my account, I received this message. You have to do just a simple thing. Just confirm these changes by clicking here. Once you click here, once it is clicked, as you can see, I clicked it. Now as you can see, our payments on hold option is now gone. So we will be now able to receive payments from Clickworker to our Payoneer account. Our account is now successfully connected to Payoneer with no more problem. So here are a few more things that I would like to say about Payoneer. Clickworker will pay to Payoneer account starting from May 12th. So before that, any payments that are there, it will not be sent to your Payoneer account. All the amount that are pending till May 12 will be directly paid after May 12. So till May 12 you will not be getting any payment to your Payoneer account once you link it, right? And once it is linked, you will get all the payment after May 12th. After May 12th you will get all the payments till May 12 to your Payoneer account directly, right? And so as you know, Clickworker pays every Thursday. So there is one more Thursday that is in between May 12th and today, which is in the next week. So if you want to get the payment of the next week as well, then don't change the payment method to Payoneer. Just keep it as PayPal that you are receiving now, and you will be getting paid in PayPal. And before May 12th, just make your account linked to Payoneer so that you will be getting payment to Payoneer, because I am sure the exchange rate to Payoneer will be much higher than the PayPal account, and also you will be getting your money transferred to your bank account much quicker than PayPal does. So that is all about how to link your Clickworker account to Payoneer, how to create a Payoneer account successfully without any problem at all. I hope you guys will definitely find this video helpful, and if you find this helpful, then please like this video, share it with your friends, and also subscribe to the channel. And until the next time, bye guys, take care, and guys, happy earning. With